Hey guys, my name's John McDonough. I'm the Senior Product Manager here at Mickey Thompson for our street and strip tires. And we're going to talk about some of the tires we have here at SEMA 23. So to start off, we have our ET front. ET front, a lot of you know, it's a bias front runner for a lot of our drag cars. Pretty popular. We have it in a bunch of different sizes. Good complementary to our ET drag. So this year we actually added a few new sizes in our ET drag lineup. If you go to a drag strip, sometimes they don't have enough glue or maybe the prep isn't quite there. So what we did was we introduced some softer compounds. Those softer compounds are what's going to help you hook when you don't have as much glue to help you get down the track compared to our standard tire. When we come over here, this is where we get into some of our radial products. So of course, we got the Pro Bracket Radial for our bracket racers, no tire growth, so you have consistent rollouts, consistent gear in the vehicle. And then we get into our ET drag, the Pro Drag Radial. So Pro Drag Radial, as you guys know, is the radialized version of our ET drag. Great for high-speed application use. Again, like our Pro Bracket Radial, it's very consistent tire, so you don't have to worry about too much growth. When you get the tire, whatever that size is, that's going to be the size. So now here we have our ET Street Front. So as you guys are familiar with our ET Front, which is a bias tire, ET Street Front is the radialized version of that. So it's a popular pairing with our DOT drag radial products such as the ET Street R, ET Street SS, as well as our ET Drag, Pro Drag Radial, and Pro Bracket Radial. So again, you know, we focus on that low rolling resistance so you can get down the track as fast as possible. It just helps with that overall radial setup that you would have with your car. Moving down here, we have our ET Street Radial Pro. So now the Radial Pro, as you guys know, very popular in the X275, Pro 275 classes. We only make this tire in two sizes, 275 60-15 and 315 60-15. The bigger size, of course, very popular in classes such as Radial versus the World. Again, that radial construction is going to help keep everything consistent and help you get down the track as fast as possible. Now, moving on to some more DOT drag radials, here we have the ET Street R and ET Street SS. Now, the neat thing about both these tires, they're great for that pure street strip type of application. So if you have a car that you like to be able to drive it around on the road and still take it to like a Friday night drag event or even try to do some beginning mid-level competition, these are going to be great products. ET Street R is actually the base platform for our first OE fitment that we did with Dodge for the Demon 170. Now over here we have Demon 170. So this is Dodge's last V8 engine that they just recently announced back in March at their Roadkill event. So this car is Mickey Thompson's first OE fitment. So we worked with Dodge for a few years. It started off as a relationship at the drag strip. You know, they had the idea for a car that they wanted to have sub 9 seconds in the quarter mile. So they knew they were going to need a DOT radial to get the job done. So what we have here is a car that's over 1,000 horsepower off the factory floor. Again, it runs 8 seconds in the quarter mile. And what we were able to do is we needed to have something that could not only get you down the track, but still have a balance for some on-road performance. So these are actually specially made tires for the Demon. They're not going to be available to the public. It's only going to be for Demon owners. So unfortunately, if you want something similar, it's based off of our ET Street R technology. We have it in the same size, so you could always check that out for your vehicle build. But what we ended up doing actually, and you can actually see, what we did is we added extra circumferential grooves. So what this allows us to do is we want to be able to maintain as much rubber contact patch as we can for power transfer to help you get down the track, but also allow for some water evacuation. This way, if you're out cruising around in the car, you know, not necessarily something you want to drive in the rain, but if it's a wet road, for example, it's going to be able to help balance out that wet performance so that way you don't spin out. So we're really excited to have it, and pretty soon vehicles are going to start shipping out to people, so expect to see them on the road sometime soon. Now, the SS compared to the R, if you're asking yourself, how do I know which one that I want? If you have higher horsepower and you're doing maybe, let's say 90% drag racing, 10% street, that's going to be the ET Street R. It's got fiberglass belts, nylon body ply, really helps with that power transfer to the ground. The SS is kind of a little bit more like a typical UHP with a bit more to it. So it still has steel belts and polyester body ply, but what we have here is still our R2 race compound. So you still get a lot of hooks. So if you got a Hellcat or maybe even a Red Eye, anything souped up like that, it's going to be a great tire for you to get down the track and still have fun on the road. Now for guys who are street rod, hot rod type consumer, we get to our Sportsman SR. So in this tire lineup, we have our skinny fronts with our real wide rears. So You know, if you're looking for like a 33-inch by 22-15, this is going to be the type of setup that you have. So it's a directional pattern. It's not something that you would necessarily four-corner big tires. It's all for that classic hot rod look. Now getting back into some more of our street tires, we have our Sportsman ST. So keep it with that Sportsman lineup. The Sportsman ST, now you're looking more into your classic muscle cars. So 60s to 70s, all 15-inch sizes. We have raised white letters so you can get that period correct classic look. It's a great tire, so you know, good old A-body type cars, tire looks great on it. And then here we have the Mickey Thompson Street Comp. Now the Street Comp is one of our UHP lineups. So we're talking WY-rated, speed-rated tires. We have available in 14 sizes, covers a lot of Corvette and Mustang sizes, so it's a great 300 tread wear tire to go have some fun on the street.